Hi guys, welcome to the second video for Power BI course. In this case, I will talk about the report builder Power BI, how to install, and also what is report builder. Okay, let's open this. This is the Microsoft report, and also let me advise, Power BI report builder, it's a tool for authoring paginated reports that you can publish in Power BI service. When you design a paginated report, you are creating a report definition that specifies what data to retrieve, where to get it, and how to display it. When you run the report processor takes the report definition you have specified, retrieves the data, and combines if the report layout and generate the report. You preview your report in Report Builder, then publish your report in Power BI services. Okay, how it's working this? Okay, this is the screen to start develop this. This is a report running now, and as you can see, you can select the format and also some tables, some images, the template, and other things like that. Okay, well, let's start with the prerequisites. Okay, to publish in Power BI paginated report in Power BI service, you need the Power BI Pro license. Okay, for this you need to buy a Power BI Pro license, and also you need to start to create a table, matrix, or chart wizard. Okay, start with the map wizard. Also design your report. We will continue with this in the next video. And also manage your report, use deployment pipelines with paginated reports, etc. Okay, let's start. In this case, we need to install Power BI Report Builder in order to continue. Okay, then we need to go here, Report Builder, Power BI, Report Builder, Power BI, download. Okay, if you go here to Microsoft, in Microsoft you can download the Report Builder program. Okay, you need to select the language or that you are downloading. In this case, I will download in English, and you press only download. Automatically, this will send you a direct download here, and this will be installed in your computer if you double click here in administrator. Okay, in order to install this program, you need to have the admin privileges. Okay, I will cancel this because now I have the report builder installed in my computer. Then I will open. Okay, then let me open report builder. Okay, as you can see here, report builder is starting, and let's see what is happening here. Okay, now let me show you the window that is appearing at the beginning. Okay, we will create a new report, a blank report. Okay, and this will appear this window. Okay, this window is the principal that it will appear in order to create a new report. Okay, let's see. Okay, for example, in order to create a new report, you need to create first of all the data source. As you know, we created a data source here in the ODBC connection. Then we need to add a data source and select the ODBC connection. Also, we need to rename here the data source. For example, in this case, I will rename like DB connection 1 or something like 2 or something like that. And we'll click on build. Okay, here in build you will select the user and system data source name. In this case, I created composite dev. Okay, then we can test connection in order to see if it's connecting or not. Test connection succeeded. Then we'll click on OK button, then click on OK. Okay, as per now, we have the connectivity for data source. Then we need to create a query here in dataset. Okay, add dataset here. Also, we can select here query 1. Data source should be the same one that we created, database connection, this one. And we need to insert here the query that we are searching. For example, select something in the query. Let me copy one query here and let me explain how it's working. Okay, let me start with this. I will select this. This is a simple query where are taking the column names, also the table name, and the where condition. Okay, then let's start. Let's see in the fields in order to see if the query is working or not. Okay, here in this case we can see the query is working. If the query is not working for anything or any issue, this will appear a text box that is showing the error. For example, let me delete this parenthesis, okay, this bracket. Okay, if I try to go to fields, will appears the Power BI report builder error where says could not update a list of fields. Query verify that you can connect to the data source and that your query syntax is correct. You need to see here in the details, and let's see what is the issue. For example, here you can see error, unable to parse query text, expecting right parenthesis, found null. Okay, on the line 32 column 3. Okay, let's see. Then if we go to the query, we can see here the line 32, it's expecting the close parenthesis. Then we can go here again to the fields, and as we can see here, we have all the columns that we are getting here in the query builder. Okay, at the beginning, let's start with this. Okay, now as we can see, we have here the data source and also we have the query. For this case, we need to create a table here, and in order to create a table, we can do something. For example, here we can rename the report. Let's put like a report 1 parenthesis test. Okay, and also as you can see here, we have the name of the report. Here we can insert a table where we can add the values. For example, in this case, we need to take this, and if you like, you can keep it pressed the right click here, sorry, the left click, and put here. This will appear automatically report date. Okay, and or also you can do it something like this. Select the value, and for example, let's start with server number, or maybe with account status code or something like that. Okay, as we can see here, we have the report, we have a query, and also we have the values that we need in this case. Also, we can select the color of the top. In this case, for example, let's put in blue and black and also white. Okay, in order to differentiate that. Okay, let's run and let's see what happened. As we can see, we are running without parameters, also without any prompts and any other things. Then the report should run with all the values. Okay, the time that this will take in, maybe will take some time in order to show the information that we are selecting here. Okay, let's see. Now go again to design. As you can see here, we have the report and also server access number and access RTD status. Let's go again to the query in order to see what is coming on. Okay, as we can see, we have the report start date and is the current date -7. Also, the report date is the current date -1. In order to get some values, let's change the parameters here. Okay. For example, we can select something like, I don't know, maybe 2020, 0101, and 2020, -0131. Okay, and let's see what happened. Run again. Okay, and as we can see, we have only one value here. Okay, let's try to increase the values. Let's go to design again, query here again, and also we can see, for example, for 0631, sorry, 0630. Okay, click on OK button and run. Okay, as we can see, we have more data here. Then only we need to make some values. For example, let's go to design again here, and let's move this. Let's increase the size in order to see the information more clear, and let's see what happened. Okay, let's press and run. Okay, as we can see, we have the report here. Okay, this is a simple report, and this will finish the second video. In the next video, I will explain how to do some other things. Okay.